The pot plant project involved 2.5 years of applied research, and it was funded with the help of the Rural Development Programme. The project focused on using the scientific knowledge about the native flora acquired by the Native Flora Center of Lombardy to improve and increase the supply of native plant species for sale in the horticultural market. The project was based on a partnership approach between 11 horticultural businesses and 3 scientific organizations specialized in the conservation and management of the native flora and also the plant propagation and breed techniques. We knew that we had to involve the nurseries because in order to produce a new item for the markets, we needed to meet the needs of the end users, that is the general public and the market. On the other hand, the nurseries needed us first of all to choose the right species and to use them without damaging the environment and the local biodiversity, and also to use our facilities like the labs or the greenhouses or our expertise to test and eventually breed the plants when needed.
We are a company that produces and sells perennial plants, and we were interested in the way that we could make use of scientific knowledge to help us improve our quality plant product. An increasing number of our customers are interested in native species, especially those that can be certified with a quality mark. So this is why we were very keen to involve it early in the pot plant project, which was a partnership initiative between a plant nursery like mine and a scientist from Institute Research.
The partnership approach was really fundamental. It was a key factor for the success of the project. We work as a kind of producer group which linked the rural development research with the development interests of the nurseries and horticultural businesses. Through this approach, we could transfer our scientific researches and results to the nursery and make real innovations for them. We actually started this partnership very early during the process of writing the project itself, and it was very useful because we sat together around the table, we got to know each other, we shared our actually different perspectives, and this led to a research that was demand-led and not simply and purely supply-led. This was good because it produced synergies that couldn't have been possible if the research had been purely supply-led.
It was very useful to us to be involved in the research project from the beginning, because this helped us to gain the result that we wanted. We now have a new supply chain of high qualitative native plant species that are very attractive for our customer. This is a real innovation for us, and this has helped us to improve our competitiveness, because we can now offer our customers a much better choice of native species. Native species tend to be well adapted to local environment and can be more resilient. Customers prefer buying native species also because these are often better than non-native, which can sometimes become a pet if they grow out of control. So pot plant project approach of linked research with our business not only created a new scientific knowledge and business benefit, but is also helped to conserve our region biodiversity.